They seem so flawed in front of my perfect soul.
Launch attack. Understood. Our turret has been destroyed.
I have no sympathy to spare. Do it.
An ally has slain Lord. Ally has been request back. Understood. Request backup. Okay. Our turret is under attack.
Become one.
Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree.
Taste this.
Your team destroyed a turret.
For my beloved.
Your team destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy.
Sir.
Slain.
Banyak mali sablay.
Let me see
Initiate retreat. Understood.
I have no sympathy to spare for evildoers. Many wield swords, but I am the only sword master.
Okay. Request back.
The tiger sniffs the rose. Justice served.
Patay na yan. Yeah. Paano yun? Daya ah. Cheater yun ah. Ba't kayo nagpalitan ng ano? Palitan sila ano guys. Buti na walang less food. Baka mga bapatay yung CC.
Request backup.
7-Eleven.
Bakit ka na, Per?
Ayan, 7-Eleven.
Pakilang ka?
7-Eleven.
Pakilang ka?
10-6. Di pa tapos na.
Hindi. Hindi ko napatapos na naman. Nasa lang na.
Kaya Natalia, ang hina. Ano yan? Ambot. Abot.
An enemy has
2-7, level 13. Tara sa naulan.
My sword thirsts for blood.
shut down. Launch attack. Okay.
From the darkness shines my
Attack the Lord.
blade.
Okay. Attack the Lord. You have slain an enemy.
To be a hero, I had to sacrifice love.
Killing spree. Ally has slain Lord.
Odette. Beautiful Odette.
Patay agad yung Nolan. Patay agad yung Nolan. One hit. One hit. One hit yung Nolan. One hit. One hit yung Nolan, one hit.
Understood.
One hit yung Nolan, one hit.
Understood.
One hit yung Nolan, one hit.
Understood.
Oh, yakin, yakin. Ako pa pala. Jay, patay agad yung yung Nolan eh. Ako na ang nakiday ng Nolan. 7:30, Nina. Nakachamba lang sa una. Bayan mo, nakabidyo na to kanina. Nakita na sana yung my turn ko eh. Yon, tapos, panalo.
Victory!
Okay.
Tara na.
Ha?
Tara na.
Sidekick na ako. Sidekick, ano yun?
O, tama na. Huwag ka na maglaro. Manood ka na. Kasi 12 matutulog ka.
Ma, tignan mo
O, pangalan ka.
Tignan mo ako dapat MVP.
O, pangalan ka.
KDA ko 12-6. Yung MVP 10-3.
Pangalan ka nga.
Gold.
Ano ba?
Hina mo. Hina ng Nolan. Report ko nga to.
Sige na, manood ka na.
Intention na pagpapa-feed. Yan, yung Silio, hindi ko na-report. Marami namang assist. Night. Sleep na ako. Yung stock pa nga. Bye guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo. Nakita nyo gano'ng kalakas.